What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply our and data picker into your contact form 7 form. So into your WordPress forms we're gonna learn how to apply this option right here and this option right here. Imagine that this form is to book an appointment or some schedule, and you need to have the date and the time of the day where you want to receive this information, okay? How to apply this onto your WordPress website for free is what you're gonna learn into this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is apply the form on your WordPress website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin. Right here into the upper right corner of the screen, next to keywords into search plugins, we're gonna type contact form 7. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Also, this is gonna add into your WordPress left sidebar of menus a new menu called contact. And if you go right here to contact form submenu, you're gonna have a default form with all the fields that you need. We will not customize it yet, but we're gonna apply this to a page. So hover mouse over page and click on add new page. Of course, you can apply this into a previously made page. No need to worry, okay? I'm just gonna apply this onto a page so we can test. Contact form contact. Click into the plus button after applying this page a title. Find for a widget right here, searching for contact form 7, this widget right here. Select our unique contact form and click into the publish. Let's review our page. So here is our contact form. We have email, name, subject, and the message, okay? And a submit button. Very simple and effective, but let's apply our data picker. Now, go back to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword into search plugins, we're gonna type data time picker for contact form 7. This guy right here, okay? Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site, and right here is the plugin that you just have installed. If you review the version and the author, there is a view details button. Click on it. This is gonna be important for us. After this, we're gonna find these 3 lists right here. Only for data picker, only for time picker, for both data and time picker. So we're gonna choose this option right here. Time picker. We just want to have the time picker right here, not the data yet. Copy this code right here, okay? After this, go back to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, click on contact and the submenu contact forms. Now click on contact form 1. Right here we have all our fields, okay? Let me show you into the contact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. Let's imagine that I would like to apply our data field right here between the subject and the message option. First thing, we're gonna need to apply our text. So you can see some buttons into the top section right here. There is text, email, URL, tel, number, date, text area. We're gonna use this one, text. Click, this tab gonna appears. We're gonna apply to this a title. Can be time. Let me type right it. time picker, just like this. And into the class attribute, we're gonna place the code that we did copy it from the plugin details, okay? Just like this, time picker. Now we're gonna insert the tag, and here is the time picker. Now I'm gonna apply the label text. And type our field title, time picker, just like this, time picker. Now let me apply a tab right here. Let's save our change. Now let's review our contact form. And as you can see, there is a new field onto our contact form that when you hover, it selects a time picker. Simple, right? Now imagine that you would like to have the date and time picker into this field. No problems. Let's go back to our plugins section from the left side bar of menus on our WordPress dashboard. The data time picker for contact form 7s, view details. For both data and time picker, here is the class, the CSS class. Now go back to our WordPress dashboard, review the left side bar of menus, hover mouse over contact, click on contact forms, open the contact form 1, and review the code. Here is our text. From this class, we're gonna change from time picker to date time picker. Simple, right? Save change. Here is the results we got. Time and date picker. Simple, easy, and really effective. Now imagine that you would like to remove the subject field, for example. All we have to do is go right here, find the subject field, and delete it. Save the change. And we are good to go. Simple, easy, and truly effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And of course monetize it. And or sites.gallery, that is a place where we can promote your site. You can submit your site right here, your app, your game, to be promoted, awarded, and receive some recognition. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visionmodo.com, purchase the Vision Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, icons, and of course our full support. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.